I've watched thousands of these things, thousands, to get mine going. Alright, I've had a 3D printer for years and years and years and years, and I thought, let's make filament out of plastic bottles, because everybody's doing it now. They never used to be doing it back in the old days, or they never told anybody they was doing it. So I said, right, I'm going to do that. So I dug it out again, the old 3D printer here, and set it up, and we did the glue gun first, but now we've done a proper hot end, and then a stripper for your bottles. I got tools here in this room that's never ever been in here before, because I had to bring them all in to do these jobs. But I'm going to step by step. When I go for the plastic bottle, 9mm. That is set for 9mm. This is 1.5, but it do come out slightly bigger than 1.5. It's very close to 1.75, but it's about 170. Alright, and that's you've got to put a tip in and drill it out to a slightly larger size. So that works. I have the bottle going in here, across here, so it's actually warming. It's warming a strip up before it turns the corner and goes through there. So it's doing two things instead of one. There's the thing for your blowing up your plastic bottles to get all the creases out, and etc, etc, etc. So that's that. Right, going to the printer wise, because this has took 2 weeks. I've been doing this. This is homemade. I had to change that to a twin cog, because a single cog just wouldn't push the filament. It wouldn't push the filament in to do its business. And you've got to have it on 260. I got the bed at 86. Okay, I got the flow at 150, and I've slowed it down to 50 as well, so it's slow, but as you see, it's working quite well. So I thought I'd let you know. So if there's anything else, oh yeah, this motor is at this motor is the wiper motor out of a car. So I got a dimmer switch on that, and that slows that up to a nice tuggable speed. I will put a slower motor on one day, but you know, just so happy it's working at last. So yeah, now this hot end, 12 volt is too hot. It just goes to rack and ruin. Where 9 volt, if you leave it in there for like 10 minutes, 9 volt is about right. 9 volt pulls through quite nicely. I've done this just to line up this. I wanted that in line with the wheel. It's all roughly nailed down, but as you see, I got saws here, I got drills, I got a bloody vacuum cleaner, which I've never seen before. That's his chair. You must not go in his chair, otherwise I'll flick him murder. So I can shut all these off now, because I think I've nigh on sussed it out. I've told people what you need to do and what you don't need to do. Don't think you're just going to get a bottle, cut it into freaking a ribbon, melt the ribbon through a hot air gun, glue gun, whatever, and then whippy you're away. But that looks pretty tidy, I gotta be honest. And you've got to make sure your surface is gleaming. I use the old air spray to just... Yes, I started the first couple of layers. You can actually see the first couple of layers. Look. I started them very slow, and the bed was quite hot at 86 there. I think it's working fine. So, enough. Thank you.